so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy. I can't succeed in being you.
So what to do?
So you be you and I'll be me. I'll be me. Just like you, I'm gonna be me. Kujo, Kujo, Kujo.
Okay, looks like we have you all set up, Leo. Here is your new family membership card and an activity list for the community center. Now we take a tour.
Thanks, Kujo. I'm so excited to play some sports.
This is our community garden.
Hi, Kujo. It's a nice sunny day.
Hi, Graham. Don't forget to drink plenty of water and stay hydrated when you're in the sun.
Thanks, Kujo.
Hi, Bernard. What are you working on?
I'm building paper airplanes, and later we will fly them outside.
Whoa, that looks like a lot of fun. Watch out for the sharp edges.
Yeah.
Sometimes we are different, that's a great thing to be. It's okay to be you, it's okay to be me. Being different makes us special, you're perfect naturally. It's okay to be you, and it's okay to be me. Move, dance, learn and play, you can do it your own way. It's okay to be you, and it's okay to be me. Sometimes we are different, that's a great thing to be. It's okay to be you, and it's okay to be me.
Yay! Good job, everybody. Okay, let's use this time to take a quick 5-minute break.
5-minute breaks, I like 5-minute breaks.
Wow, this place is cool, Kujo. Do you have a basketball court?
Yes, we certainly do.
Oh, can I see? Can I see?
Right this way. Okay, so we have the ice rink, we have the tennis court, and of course, we have the basketball court.
Hey, that man is playing basketball in a wheelchair. I didn't know that people in wheelchairs can play basketball.
Well, he uses his body along with his wheelchair to play the game.
Hi, Kujo. You have some new visitors.
Hey, Sahid. These are our newest members. This is Leo and his mom.
Hi, Sahid. How long have you been playing basketball?
I've been playing wheelchair basketball for about 10 years now.
Are you any good?
Well, I play on a team that plays throughout Canada and Alberta.
Why are you in a wheelchair?
I have a disability, so I use my wheelchair to play my favorite sports and hang out with friends.
Sahid, can we start to shoot basketballs into the hoop now?
Yeah, we want to shoot! We want to shoot!
Let's get started.
I keep trying to dribble the ball, but it keeps getting away from me. Maybe it's because I have wings?
Did you know that it used to be difficult for everyone to dribble a basketball?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
A long time ago, basketballs used to be smooth. Players could not control the ball when they dribbled it on the floor. That is because there was no friction. When a smooth ball bounces on a smooth floor, there is no friction and the ball slides everywhere. Today's basketballs have little bumps on them to cause friction, so they don't slide. It's easier to hold, bounce, and throw the ball.
Huh.
Well, I like that the ball helps players dribble, but how do I get better?
Well, I'm not sure we can, Adjoa. We have wings, and I think to be good at dribbling the basketball, we need to have hands. but we can keep trying.
Hey, can I go learn how to shoot the basketballs?
Of course, the class is for everybody. Yeah! It's so nice to have new people join our community center. I learned today that we may like the same things, but do them differently, and that's okay. Always remember to ask questions about the world so you can learn to be kind, be brave, be curious, and most importantly, be yourself. Bye for now.